హైదరాబాద్ నాంపల్లి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ గ్రౌండ్స్ లో 81వ అఖిల భారత పారిశ్రామిక ప్రదర్శనను గవర్నర్ తమిళిసై సౌందరరాజన్, హోంమంత్రి మహమూద్ అలీ ప్రారంభించారు. ఎగ్జిబిషన్ కు వచ్చే సందర్శకులు తప్పనిసరిగా కోవిడ్ నిబంధనలు పాటించాలి. ఎగ్జిబిషన్ జరిగినన్ని రోజులు ప్రతిరోజు సాయంత్రం 4 గంటల నుంచి 6 గంటల వరకు ప్రత్యేక వ్యాక్సినేషన్ కేంద్రం ఏర్పాటు చేస్తున్నట్లు నిర్వాహకులు తెలిపారు.
Mahdud Ali, Honorable Minister for Home, and who is present here. I have given a very good presentation address here. Dr. B. Prabha Shankar, Vice President, Sri Aditya Margam, Honorable Secretary, M. Chandrasekhar, Joint Secretary, N. Vinay Kumar, Advisor, Dheeraj Kumar, Treasurer, Hanumant Rao, Convener, and all the other dignitaries who are in the dais and off the dais, and the children, the school children, the college students who have come over here, and media persons, security persons, and my best wishes to you all. First of all, I wish you a very, very happy and healthy 2022, which is going to be a very healthy year. Not like 2021, which burdened us with pandemic. We are hopeful. And when I came to this campus, I am very happy as a governor. Exhibition is organized in this campus. And I am very happy as a doctor. Along with exhibition, vaccination is also conducted. So I really appreciate your efforts taken for the safety of the people of Telangana. And as it is said by our State Honorable Minister for Home, this exhibition is not only for entertainment, but is also for education. And I appreciate the students, more than 18,000 students are benefited by this exhibition. These products, which we have to travel quite a long. To get all these products, we have to travel miles and miles. We have to spend a large amount of money, but they are coming to our doorsteps. So that we are not going to spending the amount we are going to spend in the travel, we can spend in collecting some of the materials and supporting the entrepreneurs and the enterprises, so that they, during the pandemic period, it is our duty. So not only as an to just to see the exhibition, I appeal the people of Telangana, hoping the support from our state. All the state entrepreneurs are coming to exhibit their products here. Kindly at least once visit and support some of the stalls which you like. And I am glad to know that around 1,000 enterprises, mostly from the small and medium category, are given an opportunity to market their products and earn income to sustain the rest in the year. The activities of the Exhibition Society have been generating significant income for the government since its inception, way of GST, trade license fees, property tax, and utility charges, etc. And I learned from the Home Minister that it is the government land, and initially it was conducted in the different place, and now it is conducted here, and government is giving maximum concession to conduct this exhibition. And I also the government for supporting the exhibition in such a way, because the organizers are supporting the children for their education. I understand the management of Exhibition Society has made foolproof arrangement for this your Numaish to ensure a safe and pleasant experience for everyone. I extend my best wishes to the office bearers and members of this exhibition society.
एकेडमी की जानिब से यहाँ पर स्टॉल लगाया जाता है। हर साल की तरह पिछले साल एक मरतबा यहाँ पर एक साल जो है कोरोना की वजह से ये नुमाइश नहीं थी, मगर इस साल बहुत अच्छी तरीके से काफ़ी अच्छे इंतजामात के साथ ये एग्जीबिशन को शुरू किया गया है। इस तमाम जो तालीमी इदारे चलाए जाते हैं, मैं तमाम ख़ास तौर से हमारे जो चेयरमैन साहब है, प्रेसिडेंट साहब हैं, हरीश राव साहब बहुत बड़े डायनेमिक लीडर हैं। वो आज किसी मसरूफियत की वजह से नहीं आ सके, मगर उनकी सदारत के बाद काफ़ी बड़ी तब्दीली आई यहाँ पर। बहुत अच्छी तरीके से इस सोसाइटी के वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हो, सेक्रेटरी साहब हो, तमाम मेम्बरान और इनकी जो टीम है बहुत अच्छी तरीके से तालीम पर तवज्जो देते हैं। मैं दिल की गहराइयों से उन्हें मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। ये नुमाइश तकरीबन 46 डेज तक चलती रहती है। इसमें ख़ास तौर से म्यूज़िकल शो, मैजिक शो और मुशायरे भी शामिल होते हैं। मैं तमाम आवाम से ख्वाहिश करता हूँ कि इस एग्जीबिशन को ज़रूर तशरीफ़ लाएँ। यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छे अच्छे मशहूर, यहाँ की हलीम बहुत मशहूर है, यहाँ की आइसक्रीम बहुत मशहूर है। बहुत से लोग दूर से आकर यहाँ पर चाट भंडार खाते हैं। सारे लोग, स्टॉल्स के लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं, उनको मैं मुबारकबाद देता हूँ। मैं यही चाहूँगा कि जो भी यहाँ के लोग हैं ज़रा सा डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कीजिए, क्योंकि आप जानते हैं थर्ड फेज़ आने का डर है। मगर हम अल्लाह से दुआ करते हैं, खुदा से दुआ करते हैं कि हमारे स्टेट में थर्ड फेज़ ना आए। हमारे एहतियात ज़रूर करें, क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग, हमारे स्टॉल ओनर्स काफ़ी पैसा खर्च कर यहाँ पर स्टॉल लेते भी हैं, स्टॉल में बहुत सा सामान भी रखते हैं। हमारी यही कोशिश है कि वो अच्छे से कारोबार करें, एग्जीबिशन सोसाइटी को भी अच्छी तरीके से इनकम हो, ताकि वो एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूशन जो चलाते हैं उसमें उन्हें मदद मिले। मैं मेरी तरफ से तमाम स्टॉल जो लोग यहाँ लगाए हैं उन लोगों को भी मुबारकबाद देता हूँ।